We took a tour of the museum, learning all about the history of emeralds from Colombia and other countries, and it was fantastic, even more so with Luz, I think that's her name, the person who greeted us, explained and showed us the whole museum. She knows a lot and speaks Spanish so well that we understood everything, in addition to English. She's amazing. Afterwards, we showed her the shop which has various items that my wife loved seeing. It's worth visiting, they're fantastic, and Luz especially, who served us with such kindness. The tour was really enjoyable. Our guide, Jera, was such a lovely young lady, full of smiles, friendly, and quite knowledgeable about the emeralds and the manufacturing process. It was a pleasure to learn from her. We liked the mine replica walkthrough, as well as the history of emerald extraction, the various types, walking around the lab facilities, and then seeing all the jewelry at the end in the shop. We would definitely recommend this tour as something different to experience while in Cartagena. My visit to the Caribe Jewelry Emerald Museum in Cartagena was exactly what I was looking for. I wanted to learn more about emeralds, how they're formed, how they become jewelry, and what defines their quality. Jera was the perfect guide, knowledgeable, funny, and charismatic. I learned so much in a short time and left feeling ready to make my first emerald purchase. The gift shop also has plenty of beautiful and affordable options. Highly recommend. Very good guide called Eli. She's perfectly instructed and being a very nice person. She knows what everyone would like to know about the subject. As a visitor, one gets the whole pictures of processing the emeralds, their mining and final steps to the presentation in taste shops. A very nice trip that says worth it. I can strongly recommend it. My wife and I went to the Caribe jewelry shop in the Plaza Bolivar as part of a day tour. Michelle welcomes us and gave us a historical tour of the emerald in Colombia. She was very helpful and managed to give us discounts for the pendant and earring that my wife bought. A very comprehensive tour about the history of emeralds. Thank you to Luz for this visit and for her enthusiasm. The best place to learn about the history and buy emeralds in Cartagena, very professional and safe. A wonderful experience. We were guided by Petra, who showed us the museum, something not so common and always appreciated, and also showed us and guided us regarding the beautiful jewelry for sale. Luz gave us an excellent tour, very comprehensive and interesting. She explained the entire process and shared a lot of history. The service was very good. 100% recommended. Great help. Kind staff. I got a lovely pair of earrings that I love and will keep forever. The tour was also very informative and I learned so much about emeralds. The visit to the museum and the shop is well worth it. The pieces are beautiful. We were very well attended to by the saleswoman Luz. I recommend a visit. It was a very well orchestrated tour. Ellie, our guide, was wonderful. Very informative tour. Very professional staff. Very worthwhile experience indeed. Petra was an excellent guide, with lots of interesting information about emeralds, their history, and their classification. Highly recommended visit. Excellent experience. Interesting and informative. I would highly recommend the tour. It's interesting to see emeralds from other countries too.